I thought I would show you how to add a button to this front page yourself so that you could do it. Sometimes it's easier to do it yourself than to call and ask someone else to do it and wait for them. So I'm going to show you how to do that on these courses of yours. And like usual, there's lots of approaches we could take, but I'll take the one I think that you want to do. And if we need to talk about it, we can get on the phone and talk about it. But that one's the hardest one, so I'll do it last. I'll do this one first. So what you're going to do is you'll go to this front page at the home area and edit this file. Rather than add a new button, I'm just going to use this resources because it's the same thing as this resources here. Those go to the same place. They could go to separate places if you wanted them to, but right now they're set up to go to the same place. So I'm just going to edit this and call it training videos. And then at this point, we just need to tell it where that should go. And so we come over here and we select the modules and we just decide which module do you want it to go to. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to say this taping wrapping video demo. And that's all there is to it. Save that. And now when I click on training videos, it takes me to that module that I selected. So I'm going to do the sports medicine lab now. And same thing, we're going to edit it. Again, I'm going to change resources because those resources are going to the same place as this resources. So I'll just do the same thing. Training videos. Click anywhere on that and go to modules. Now on this one, I'm not sure if okay, we'll just take this one, taping wrapping video demo. And save it. Click on that. And it goes to that module. Okay, the hardest for the last because I don't have two resources, so I have to either add a new column or a new row with more options, or I need to get rid of one of these others. So if you had any of these others that you didn't need anymore, I could turn that into video training. But if you can't get rid of any of those, then we need to insert. So I click into this table anywhere, well, onto this last line, and I go down here to this menu and say insert row after. That creates a new row. Then I'm going to just copy any one of these and paste it. If I can get in there, if it'll let me in there. It wants to keep going to the other. Well, maybe I can tab from over here. Okay, so I'm there now. Now I can paste. Whoa, that didn't work too. I'm going to Control Z. Let's see. Control V to paste that. Okay. Now I can change this to video. Training videos. Training videos, and then I need to choose where that's going to go. I'll choose that one and save it. And when I click on training videos, it should take me to, well, it tries to take me down to the one I chose, but it's, man, oh, did I choose that one or not? Wondering why it didn't take me there. I choose training videos. I'm not sure where it's taking me here. Oh, it's trying to take me down to this one, maybe. I can't remember now, and it's empty, so it just tries to get as close as it can. Let me see if I choose this one, taping videos 2018. Let's see if that's gonna do a better demonstration of it working. Training videos. I'm on it. The modules. Go to 20. It's not that one, is it? Was it that one or was it? It was this one. Taping videos 2018. Save it. Go to training videos. And it should go, yes, it went there. And now the only problem is you've got these blanks, which it's okay. I mean, it's okay to have blanks. And if you ever need to fill those with anything, you can. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, give me a call.